In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your plane ticket from Expedia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna visually show you how to get your plane tickets from the Expedia website by using my computer, but you can also do this on your phone, either through the Expedia website as I'm doing here, or through the Expedia app. Regardless of which option you choose, all you have to do is sign into the account that has the flight tickets booked, and then you have to select trips. On the website, you can find My Trips over here at the top menu, top right, and on the app, it's going to be on the bottom, on the middle of your screen. Select trips and you will be immediately redirected to this page where you can check all of your upcoming trips. As you can see on this account, I have no booked trips, but you should be able to see a list. Click on any of them and you will be able to print a copy of your plane tickets that you can use. Alternatively, you can find your booking by using your itinerary number. If, for some reason, you should see a trip here that you bought from Expedia and it's not listed under the trips, what you have to do instead is select the support page at the top and contact support either through email or through the online help center to sort out your individual issue. Regardless, all trips should be listed under your trips page and you can select and print the book tickets from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your plane tickets from Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.